Good morning, friends. Welcome. I'm here at my boat today, and my friend Marina back here and her partner are going to be cleaning the boat. She called it a reef that I'm growing down there. It really is a reef. I haven't got it cleaned for a long time, and here in Florida, with all the salt water, you got to clean these things often. And I have not done that. I'm sorry, Marina, that I've given you such a job to do.
All diver can do it.
I'll put a link below to her company. Don't worry about that. But this is a pretty heavy duty job. Check it out.
Do you have a letter? You do, right? Okay.
Yeah, I'll undo that. Yeah. I'm wearing a sweatshirt. It's not Florida hot today. It's like Florida cold. It's pretty humid.
It's crazy cold.
It is.
It's like when you jump in and you feel like probably like thousands of lives going through your skin.
Yeah. Well.
Right, then you just question, should I do it or should I just go home?
I do not like being that cold.
And, yeah. But this boat is really like TLC, so we cannot go home yet.
That's good for me, because I do not want to dive down here.
Yeah.
So. Are these all the tools you need down there?
No.
Got your
I'm
hammer.
gonna use hammer for yours.
Oh yeah, because it's heavy duty. You don't use a hammer all the time though, do you?
No, just for dirty boats.
Shoot.
Like we have one today. All right, here we go.
Cool.
Check the regulator. See you back in the few.
Bye. How warm is it down there?
Probably mid-60s.
Balmy.
Yeah, boiling.
Yep. This is the beauty of hiring people that know what they're doing. The partner's working on my neighbor's boat at the same time. I'm so glad that I don't have to do that. This is something you just have to get done in order to sail the boat. And I haven't sailed this boat yet. I've lived on it for nearly 3.5 years, 3 years, and haven't taken it out yet. The motor actually is sitting in this dock box as we speak. So in preparation for getting this boat sail ready, seaworthy, rather, having them take care of the bottom. I've had it done once before, but I let it go too long. Usually it's like a once every other month or 6 weeks or something. And yeah, I'm paying the piper today. So it is a heavy duty job, which I'm glad to know people that do this. So onward and upward with the sailing.
That is a kind of barnacle, what is down there.
That's what's stuck to the boat.
Uh-huh.
Huh. Whole bunch of it.
Billions.
Yep. All done. Well, halfway done. I gotta come back, finish some things up. It's too much to do. Man, I can't even believe they got that much done. It's like halfway there. Rip.
Oh yeah, all the can go back. Yeah.
Just covered in them. This is a job a lot of people do themselves. It's not really difficult. There's techniques to it, but it's not very you know, involved with tools or anything. You really need a scraper and a hammer and air. You need a way to breathe underwater. And, you know, it's good to have a partner with you. It's just something I'm not set up for, and I could attempt it. Maybe someday I will, but this was too heavy of a job for me, so very thankful for these guys. We're gonna finish up another day, maybe like in a week or so. So we'll wrap it up then. But until then, I'll see you. I'll see you then when they come back. They're gonna do a little search for me for something I lost in the water too. As well. Maybe do a little underwater video then too. She's back.
We are ready to finish this boat, finally.
Marina's down there searching for my hatch cover. See that piece of wood that's over the hatch? What blew off in a windstorm in the middle of me working on the hatch. It took all the hardware off. It blew away. Hopefully she comes up with this hatch cover. No luck. What once was lost has now been found. It's in terrible condition and covered in barnacles, but oh, terrible condition.
It's like a nice, no?
Yeah,
On
it's
the
kind of,
water.
yeah, it's like a
design,
little art
no?
design.
Yeah.
Almost done. Well, Marina, Jorge, thanks for taking care of my boat. I know it was a big job. We almost named it.
Huge.
Yeah, we almost named the reef under the boat something like Reef Dre or whatever, but now we don't have to because it's all clean.
Nice and smooth. And we'll be
No
back.
lobster.
Well, if you guys want to know how to get a hold of them to clean your own boat here in the Florida area, the St. Petersburg, Sarasota, Clearwater area, I'll put a link to their site below and their information. Thanks again. I appreciate it. I'm glad I didn't have to get down there and do that
Thank you,
myself.
Raiden. Until next time.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Friends, it's really nice to get work done on the boat. That feeling of, you know, progression, especially since Marina found my hatch cover. They even cleaned it off a little bit for me. I got to do some, you know, spraying of some muriatic acid on here that eats up the shells, make it dead clean. But the boat is probably 500 pounds lighter. It's definitely moving differently. It's rocking a lot more than it was before, like a lot more. Oh, good day. Feels good to get that done. I really appreciate their work. They're very good at what they do and they're honest. You should check them out if you need your boat cleaned in this area. Friends, if you like what you're seeing here, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.